Welcome Disney fans and foodies to our attempt to recreate Epcot's Cottage Pie from Disney's World Showcase. Before we start, we would like to thank our subscribers. Your support helps bring the magic home. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We made homemade mashed potatoes, but you can use instant potatoes to save time. Set the potatoes aside when done. We also used a pre-made brown gravy mix to save you some time. Set the gravy aside. First, let's prepare the cottage pie filling. In a large skillet over medium heat, place 1/4 cup butter. Once the butter is melted, toss in 1 medium diced onion. Sauté the onions until they are translucent and soft. Their natural sugars will start to caramelize, adding a depth of flavor to the base of the filling. Add 1 to 1/2 pounds of 80/20 ground beef with the onions. Use a wooden spoon or spatula to break it up into small pieces. Keep cooking and stirring until the beef is nicely browned and no longer pink. Drain if needed. Salt enhances the flavors of all the other ingredients, so it's important to season as we go. Black pepper adds that lovely bit of heat and depth to the savory flavors we're building. 1/4 teaspoon thyme, as it adds a subtle earthiness that complements the richness of the beef and the sweetness of the onions. Stir and continue cooking to let those flavors blend together. Pour in 1 cup of brown gravy. It will thicken beautifully, binding all those wonderful flavors together. Time to assemble. Start with the meat filling and place in an oven-safe bowl. Place the mashed potatoes on top and spread evenly. Once you've got the mashed potatoes evenly spread, it's time for the final touch. Add diced butter to the top. Once you've added the butter, it's time to bake our cottage pie to perfection. Put your dish in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until the potatoes are golden brown. Enjoy. We enjoy sharing Disney recipes that can help you create the magic at home for your friends and family. Please comment if there are any Disney recipes you would like us to recreate. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel to help us continue sharing delicious Disney recipes. Until next time, happy eating!